Kung iniisip mong mag-Australia pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula, ito ang video na sana napanood ko before kami umalis ng Pilipinas. Tara, pag-usapan natin to. Hey Palaboy Nation! My name is Antoy Palaboy, your Filipino international student dito sa Australia. At sa vlog na ito, pag-uusapan natin paano ba daw kami nakapunta dito sa Australia? Ano ba daw yung mga step-by-step process na ginawa namin for us to obtain our international student visa dito sa Australia. For the context, I am Anton and my partner's name is Nico. So we're both from the Philippines. We came here in Australia October of 2023 with individual international student visa. And right now, I am dependent sa kay Nico, and Nico is taking up masters in social work. So since we started our journey here in Australia, some of you guys or most of you guys are asking, paano ba daw kami nakapunta dito? And ano yung process na ginawa namin? So, after 2 years, gagawin na natin yung video na most requested vlog dito sa ating channels. I know sirang plaka na ako or you've already heard this step na sinasabi sa inyo ng mga other vloggers, but I just wanna let you know that research is a big help a lot sa aming journey dito sa Australia. Kasi yung policies dito sa Australia is nagbabago time by time. Kaya dapat alam mo kung ano yung applicable na policies sa time na kung kailan ka mag-a-apply. Again, make yourself informed. After namin mag-research, so that's the time that we talk to a migration agent or lawyer. So siya yung mag-a-assess sa'yo kung ano yung bagay na visa para sa'yo. Kung dapat pa mag-student ka ba talaga or na meron kang other options aside from you doing student visa. They will also talk about ano yung mga documents na kailangan nyo prepare, magkano yung babayaran nyo, and also they will talk about the workarounds kung paano ba ang visa application process ng Australia. After we are done talking to the agent, we started to gather documents. Mga documents na kinailangan namin is yung aming TOR, second is passport, third is yung aming resume, fourth is birth certificate, and also you need to secure your letter of offer and your certificate of enrollment. So, kailangan yan sa pag-apply ng inyong visa. Also, you need to have your OSHC or Overseas Student Health Cover. Kailangan mo yan. Also, you need to have your proof of fund. Sa time namin, wala kaming show money at saka wala din kaming English test. So, right now, show money and English test is a must. And also, kailangan nyo rin, so dati, ang tawag sa amin is GTE or Genuine Temporary Entrant. So right now, it's actually called GS or General Student Statement. Yung mga documents, guys, is case-to-case basis because some of the schools will require you different documentation compared sa isa. So, hindi siya pare-pareho. So, you need to really get a checklist from your migration agent para aware kayo kung ano yung mga dapat yung i-prepare. So, I think meron ako nakalimutan but generally, yun yung mga hinahanap nila. We lodged our visa around June 29th and na-receive namin yung grant July 6. So, after 7 days or after 8 days, yun, lumabas na rin yung aming visa which is granted. Cases, it will take 2 to 3 weeks or more, depende kung merong kailangan pang mga documents na kailangan i-submit sa immigration. So we prepared the documentations ahead of time para pag kinailangan na ng aming agent is madali lang siyang mapapasa. Luckily, sa Cebu, meron na kaming accredited clinics na pwedeng mag-medical exam for Australia. So, hindi na namin kailangan pumunta ng Manila just to do our medical exam. As well as the biometrics, meron na rin sa Cebu, sa may Ayala. So, doon lang yan sila matatagpuan. So, umalis kami ng Pilipinas September 31st or 30th, parang ganon. Kasi dumating kami ng Australia October 1. By the way, meron akong ginawang vlog during our departure time or departure date until na nakapag-settle in kami dito sa Australia. I hope you can watch the video na nandito siya. So, yun yung aming process ng aming pag-a-apply dito sa Australia. So, if you want me to go deeper with each part, just comment down below para maisa-isa natin at mas maintindihan nyo ng mas deeper yung aming process. I don't want this vlog to be long. Gusto ko lang talaga na i-share sa inyo ano yung mga process namin, ano yung mga documents, ano yung mga step-by-step process na ginawa namin during the time nung nag-apply kami ng student visa dito sa Australia. So, if you find find value sa ating discussion today. If it's not too much to ask, guys, please share this one to your friends na gustong pumunta dito sa Australia, at paki-comment na rin ano yung gusto nyong makita ulit sa ating next episode. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga bagong videos natin na i-upload in the future. So it's me again, Antoy Palabor, your Filipino international student dito sa Australia, at nag-iwan ng isang kasabihan, hindi masamang mangarap basta samahan ng pagsisikap. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!